Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Our first message today is there is nothing my holiness cannot do. Your holiness reverses all the laws of the world. It is beyond every restriction of time, space, distance, and limits of any kind. Divine is infinite, beyond time and space, and divine grace can bend time and space to create miracles in your life. Let's see the second card. Fall into my arms. Surrender. Holding the opposites. Extremes of life. The Great Mother ushered you in when you took your first breath, and she will be there when you draw your last. She knows how challenging life can be. That being human can be lonely and confusing. That the polarity and separation can be excruciating when your soul remembers the oneness of the source. But at the same time, it can be incredibly glorious and sweet. So often, we see things as either good or bad. When things go well, we make it mean that we are being rewarded. And when things are bad, then perhaps we have done something wrong. However, we are all here to expand and grow, and it's through the extremes of life that we exactly do that. You're being invited to welcome the highs and the lows of the human experience, to let them initiate you more fully into life, the agony and the ecstasy, the beauty and the bitterness. This life is but a single breath of the inextinguishable existence of your experience as a soul. The Great Mother wants you to hand over your loneliness, worries, hurt, sorrow, fears, burdens, and doubts, to lay them on her altar, to fall fully into her arms, to remember that while these extremes are difficult, they can also be magnificent. The more wildly the pendulum of your life swings, the more truthfully you can say, I have truly lived. This is an activation card. So place your hands on your heart and say, I am ready to embrace the extremes of my life. I lay all that I'm carrying on to the Great Mother's altar and fall completely into her arms. These are challenging times, and many of us are going through very difficult challenges. We think, why do I have to suffer so much? But this is what life is, and you grow through these experiences. Our souls have chosen this courageous life on earth at this time to experience all of it. Also, our ego and mind tries to control everything. When we surrender to divine, we are allowing divine grace to create miracles in our lives. As we have seen, divine grace can bend time and space and can do anything. So when we are surrendering, we are letting go of that control and trusting fully, having that faith fully in the divine power. So when it becomes too much to handle, just surrender to God, to divine. What you can do is every night before sleeping, just tell God that I surrender all my worries, all my hurt, all my suffering, all my burdens, doubts, hurt, sorrow, and all my karma to you. And then sleep peacefully as if you're sleeping like a child in mother's arms. Experience life fully by surrendering to the divine. These are the messages for today. Lots of love.